Welcome to my channel, and I'm at a small garden, and there's a bridge being constructed. There was a bridge earlier which was joining Ashok Nagar. There's this Meethi river, this Ganda Nala. So on top of it, they are building a bridge. It's happening from a long time. So earlier one could go, it was pleasant. So that's how, the very reason I thought I'll make a small video over here. I'm very emotionally attached to this small garden, and I've spent a lot of good times. I've done tons of videos over here. I've had very good memories over here. So today I thought I'll just come down and sit down. And I wanted to tell you all that I've started zero waste for Marol. Initially, I faced a lot of setbacks and challenges and struggles, and everybody was ditching me last moment, betraying me, talking ill about me. I faced a lot of mocking, mockery, ridicule, humiliation, insults, subtle digs, jibes, snarky remarks, sarcastic, lot of gossip, lot of rumor mongering, lot of grapevine which was happening. A lot of rude behavior, a lot of arrogant, stubborn, difficult, combative, hostile kind of behavior I've seen. It was a really disgusting experience. And I just put my hands up and I sent some messages to people on the top saying बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं मरोल को क्लीन करना है, ग्रीन करना है. जब मैं उनसे मदद मांगती हूँ तो वो कहीं नहीं है, सिर्फ दूर से ताली बजाएंगे लेकिन मदद कोई नहीं करेगा. All the political parties are keeping a keen watch on me. Then all these NGOs and all these people जिनको कोई फ़ायदा होता है मेरे कैंपेन से या मुझसे, वेट एंड वॉच. अगर सक्सेसफुल हो गया तो लेट अस जॉइन हैंड्स विद हर, फ्लॉप हो गई तो हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है. बट आई स्टॉप एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ दीज पीपल एंड आई वेंट मूव्ड ऑन. I was clear with my vision. A lot of people said, what do you think of yourself, such an ambitious project? Marol is so vast. Yes, Marol is vast. What not is vast then? So slowly and steadily I'm doing my best. I'm talking for composting from the tea vendors, that chai ki patti, so that it should not go in the landfill. Or gardening and composting for the gardens. Getting more trees. I'm doing whatever I can. I stopped looking forward for people. Sometimes I think, no, it's not sometimes I think, my ex is really mandabuddhi, like बोलते हैं ना, daft in his head, very immature, who doesn't want to take responsibilities. And imagine such a man is on the management level, one of the top managements, because he has only one skill, that is working. And then making up his body, and I really wonder what is he going to do of his body, maybe to attract other females and to appear cool, powerful, whatever. What's with these Catholics? उनको फ्राइडे को ही आना है सुबह सुबह मास को, and nothing else. Such hypocrites. You can come every day. If you can come on a Friday, you can come every day ना. मैंने बोला ये फर्स्ट बेंच पे इतनी गर्दी क्यों है? एक तो आई डोंट लिसन टू दैट भाषण बाजी, आई ओनली गो फॉर 5 minutes. मैंने बोला जहाँ मैं बैठती हूँ इतनी गर्दी क्यों? दुनिया भर की पब्लिक आके बैठ गई. देन आई रियलाइज हाँ फ्राइडे. आई थिंक इट्स प्रिटी स्टूपिड, लाइक पीपल आर सो हिपोक्रिट्स. मुझे कैथलिक्स ना मुझे बोर ही करते हैं ये. इनको ना इंग्लिश में भाषणबाजी देनी होती है. मैंने बोला इन लोग लेटर ही लिखते रहेंगे, मेंटल कहीं के. नथिंग वर्क्स आउट ऑफ देम. handful of them are there little sensible. ना सेल्फिश है ना कनिंग है ना वो मेरा एक्स, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ अपने बारे में ही सोचता है. दो ही टोल्ड मी आई लव यू एंड देन ही टर्न्स अराउंड एंड ही डज मी देयर इज नथिंग बिटवीन अस. एंड आई लुक्ड एट हिज फेस इज लाइक I was about to tell him, you gold digger, if I were to offer you something substantial, like as in a flat or a car or some gold, then maybe he would fall in love with me. I saw him the other day. Apparently he's taking coaching from the gym guy whom I was very much friends with, because he's the youngest in the gym, maybe less than 25 years old, and he looks good. So anybody who looks good and nice, चलो उससे लेते हैं ट्रेनिंग. He looked quite fat and podgy, like he looked very, like, I don't know, with all that exercise which money he spends on that, I really wonder कोई shape तो आ जाए इस बटाटे को. I was just laughing looking at him, but I didn't look at him, I didn't even bother about him. In fact, coincidentally when I was doing a promo, he was there, but I did not look at his face or interact with him. I didn't bother about him. It's like he didn't exist. And he really looked very stupid with that t-shirt or whatever. I didn't even bother, but he was like checking, oh what a babe and all that, because I looked literally hip. So I told this banda, I said, you didn't tell me that he's training. नहीं मैडम अभी से शुरू किया, बाहर गए. Somehow whenever this person goes for a vacation or a travel, it's suddenly I get that feeling. It is confirmed. I don't know, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये बंदा बोला एक वेकेशन पे गया हुआ है, and then he confirms it. Yeah, he's just started. You know, because जब वो वेकेशन पे जाता है उसके पास टाइम रहता ना सोचने के लिए उसकी हरामीपना and what he has done to me. And he admits it. Yes, I've been back to you. And then he'll say a lame, stupid sorry, which goes nowhere. क्या देखा था मैंने इस आदमी में? Macho-ness, not macho at all. He's like a stupid, immature person. I felt like saying, just grow up. Instead of, increasing these muscles and fat on your body, just buy some brain cells from some store, you idiot. That day I was looking really super good. My eyes were shining, I was looking bright, and that red lipstick really suits me. So I look really, really very hip. So once you're looking good, people look at you. Otherwise, I love this place. It's very soothing. So that's the reason why I'm telling you all ki don't expect things from people. I have done so much of research on waste management and segregation. I won't call myself expert, but I actually talk to vendors, I speak to people, and for me it is not very easier because I'm a very I've become quite reserved, and to to push those boundaries and talk to people, like I literally sit down and eat street food. I have chai, I speak to the restaurant staff, I talk to shopkeepers, I speak to society people, society managers, society secretaries, schools, hospitals. नेक्स्ट टाइम एनीबडी सेज ना, एक झाड़ू लेके झाड़ू मारता है, फील लाइक सिंग, ये नाटक करना बंद कर दो. देयर आर सफाई कर्मचारी who will do their job, but are you doing the real thing? Do you know waste segregation, everything being dumped in garbage? Furnishing shops, I sit down and talk about textile waste, I talk about food waste. Food waste कितना होता है, especially raw food also. भाजी वाला throws so much of food. The other day I was in Marol on the main road near metro station in the night, and I saw so much of pile of garbage which I didn't film because two reason. One of my phone had conked off and another one doesn't give a good resolution. That's it. This pink lipstick looks very nice, no? कितने लोगों से मुझे पंगे लेने पड़े, कितना लोगों से झगड़ा करना पड़ा, कितनी सारी दुश्मनी मोल ली. पहले दुश्मन है मेरे 150 और 500 जुड़ गए बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ज़ीरो वेस्ट प्रोग्राम. ये अपने आप को क्या समझती है, हम क्यों इसकी मदद करें, ये तो पागल है. दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स आई गॉट. एंड व्हेन आई एम डूइंग गुड एंड मुझे थोड़ा सा रिकग्निशन मिलता है, ओ शांति इज़ डूइंग सच अ ग्रेट जॉब एंड ऑल दैट, शी इज़ सो फैंटास्टिक, वी आर हियर टू सपोर्ट हर. शिट. इसलिए आई एम टेलिंग पीपल, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनी वन. आई डोंट. आई स्टॉप. Pray to God. Only God should be your support system. Only God should be your anchor. Only God. Nothing else. Nothing more. This lady in the small garden में आती थी ना, गुज्जू, और ज़्यादा जाड़ी हो गई है. Her breasts are actually falling off. I said lucky her. Here I am 32 and she must be around 42. I felt like saying, please, some fat of yours. It's because these ladies ना, like they are like, they खाते रहते. अभी क्या वो आके यहाँ पे चलेगी, कुछ काम का नहीं है. She'll go and she'll eat all her फरसान, समोसा, ढोकला, ये वो सब एक साथ ही खाएंगे ना, तो फैट बढ़ जाता है. It's not that they keep eating and eating and eating and eating. Then they behave like. I'm so happy to see the sparrows. I see the hypocrisy of these Catholics ना, really say कि बस लेटर ही लिखो, इंग्लिश में ही बातें करो. भैंडी. I have nothing better to do. When it comes to facing things, they are nowhere. चूहे की तरह बिल में भाग जाते हैं. बाकी की कम्युनिटी भी ऐसी वेली चपाटी है. रियली वेली नल्ली टाइप. शोर मचाएंगे, झगड़ा करेंगे, पॉलिटिक्स पे बात करेंगे, रिलीजन पे बात करेंगे, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू रियल एक्शन देयर इज नोबडी. सो व्हेन एंड आई एम इंटरेक्टिंग विद डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज़. जितने भी रिलीजियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से भी मैं आई गो, लाइक अगर पंडित जी, देन आई टॉक टू पंडित जी. देन मस्जिद कमेटी के मेंबर को मैं जानती हूँ, सरदार वो उनके वाइस. सो आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. लाइक ऐसा नहीं कि आई जस्ट नो इतना सारा. आई एम स्पॉटेड विद डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज़, so there is a lot of respect I have gathered over here. Lots and lots. You know, Pihu, my fur baby, was throwing attitude because she didn't see me for 2-3 days. I just went into my cave. I said I don't want to do anything in my life. I was tired of all the communication. I was tired of running around. I was tired of that routine which I was doing, early morning भागना. I said मेरे भगवान को वो it's just a building में भाग के किसको impress कर रही हूँ, अपने आप को, लोगों को या भगवान को. He doesn't need that. I said, Lord, I'm just tired. I'm angry. I'm exhausted. I'm physically, emotionally, spiritually exhausted. I'm done. Because every morning I get up, I take bath, and my first visit begins in the church. When we visit the church, इसका मतलब नहीं है कि I have lot of expectations from that building. It's just a building. It's just that my routine is like I offer my day to my God, so it becomes a much, much, much better experience. I always tell the Lord, crush the heads of my enemies. I will not be like this Lallu Panju saying, please forgive my enemies. No, no, no. You crush their heads. I want to see their downfall. एंड व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड, आई एम स्पेरिंगली बीइंग स्पॉटेड. यहाँ पर भी मैं अभी स्मॉल गार्डन में भी कितने दिनों के बाद आई, मतलब 20 डेज़ के बाद. वहाँ पर भी वंस अ वीक जाती हूँ. सो आई एम नॉट लाइक नाना नानी पार्क का भी 1 वीक से ज़्यादा हो गया. सो अर्लियर आई वॉज स्पॉटेड इन अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस क्वाइट रेगुलरली, बट नाउ देर इज़ अ डिफरेंस. When you're doing zero waste program, you cannot, these very rich people who have industries and factories, they can start up websites and get all those people and get it done. But if you're a middle class and if you're doing it on a very smaller level, very difficult, impossible. I can see one Bhangar wala coming and taking some Bhangar. Negative people will pull you down. Why am my face looking fresh? Because of my morning walk. And plenty of water. I've learnt about restaurants. I learnt about so many things which I would. It's one thing watching YouTube videos and doing research and actually going and talking to people. ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. एंड दिस इज़ बॉम्बे. ये अभी भी आउटडेटेड पिछड़े जाति के वो ट्राइब्स है ना, 16-17 सेंचुरी की सोच है इनकी. कहने के लिए बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं, एजुकेटेड है भाई. आई एम तो सेइंग एनी एशियन से मुझे डील करना पड़ा ना, आई एम प्रिपेयर्ड कि आई एम गोइंग टू गेट घटिया एटीट्यूड एंड फालतू के रिप्लाईज, इडियोटिक वाला कम्युनिकेशन. सो आई डोंट इवन एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग. इसलिए भगवान मुझे जितना हो सके मुझे करना है. ये जो नाला है ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई टेक अ शूट ऑफ दिस. पूरा गंदा नाला है. इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ मीठी नदी. आई वॉन्ट टू मेक इट क्लीन एंड नाइस एंड द सराउंडिंग फुल ऑफ गार्डन. I want to do so much composting and gardening all over the place. So that way, quite happy right now. Come here, see sparrows. I become very happy when I see birds, when I see animals, when I see nature. Just let them be. Just let nature be let's nature do its own thing. We have messed up this place. Human beings have messed up this place with these ugly buildings and ugly roads. What about, we have to progress, but you should see the haphazard, you should see how unhygienic, how haphazard things are in Bombay. जबकि Bombay is a fantastic place to live in, but the builders and the politicians are so greedy, right? The politicians, they just want to make a mess of this place. Such ugly buildings in that Malad area and all that. Yuck. One doesn't need so many. You just need a 7 floor or 10 floors at the most. 4 floors without lift is the best. You're saving on electricity also. All the youngsters can sit in that building. People were far more healthier and better when there were no lifts. how stupid that morning that buddhis are screaming, how horrible it looks. एक है एक idiot stupid bitch of a lady का operation फिर भी आएगी मर मराओ के. They have nothing better to do. And another one is another old hag, very shabby. They are all well to do, but they are very shabby and stupid. Another one, barking dog kind of a woman whose voice is so loud. She's singing or shouting, you don't know. Another one who's singing in shrill. So everybody is going off tune, or everybody is screaming on the microphone. It's such a horrible, disgusting feeling. I say, Lord, I come for you. So what I do, 5 minutes visit, और मुझे माइग्रेन शुरू हो जाती है. द मिनट आई सी देयर अगली फेस, आई डोंट इवन लुक एट देयर अगली फेस, द नॉइज इज सो हॉरिबल कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे बैठ जाती हूँ लिटरली, इवन फॉर दैट 5 मिनट विजिट, एंड देन आई गेट लॉस्ट. मैंने बोला मेरी मॉर्निंग को अशुभ करने के लिए पनवतियाँ काफ़ी है. I'm doing when I'm doing professional food reviews now, I don't like people prompting me. Don't prompt me. I will say something nice only na, not because definitely I'm not getting paid. I'm doing out of goodwill. But even I should be prepared what I'm saying now. I don't like people putting words in my mouth. I don't like that. Don't do that. If it's good food, people will come down. People will nonetheless come down, and if it is a bad food, you will run for another 6 months and shut down. As simple, it's basic mathematics. And when I see the logistics, when I see the cost involved in it, I really wonder, is it worth it? Fine dining means, that means there must be something else to it. The minute I see a setup, I always tell them that this is not done for profit. जितना इनका रेंट है उतना उनका बिजनेस भी नहीं होता है. So what's the point? But the businesses in Bombay and elsewhere must be like this. Very, very high rents. Very high rents. Really looking nice. Just be positive in your mind, that's it. When you stop expecting things from people now, you will fall in place. Like there are sometimes I'm literally follow up करके मुझे meetings भी मिलते हैं, last moment they are cancelled or last moment. But yes, by now I've made a name for myself. I've literally made a name for myself in this place. I've worked hard. I have done things which I see the reason, because I'm from Bombay and I was used to street food once upon a time. That was a different question. And I'm a person who likes to explore and do things, you know. So maybe after the gap of so many years, it happened like water to me. I'm like just talking to people. Gyms, I visit the gyms, these yoga centers, and I'll tell you this incident. I went to this yoga center, particular yoga center in this business वो बोलते हैं ना business centers होते हैं, and that female was teaching some shit in the name of yoga to her students. I'm telling you, she was keeping those bricks and she was keeping all her vazan on those bricks, and she was doing it like this, which people have to do it with their hands. Their hands, they have to just lay their hands and do it. That exercise, she is doing it with the brick. And if you do little bit of mistake, you'll get a slip disc, you'll get a bad backache. So they will be charging you 3,000, 4,000 for yoga, and you will be literally broken back, damaged spines. Be careful if they are giving you fancy exercise. And if you can't do anything, don't be like this one-man show, up-man show that I can do better, and don't do this. People are having several injuries, silent injuries, softer injuries, but they are refuse to accept it. You'll get fractures, I'll get hairline fractures. Don't do this, please. Sprains, spasms, ये सब आ जाएगा. Don't think yoga is a be all end all for everything. It's not a cure, and it will definitely not help you in weight loss. It is just a fad. It's a trend. So please. When I saw that, I said I need to see you except the minute she saw me coming in, she said, okay, let's take a break. Means you're doing something wrong. I told her even I know yoga. Next time I see people with yoga mat, I feel like saying, what do you know about it? You know nothing, you idiots. Whatever these idiots are teaching you, you'll are mental. You'll have lost it. Just because you're from India, you have to do all this natak nautanki. I know yoga. So next time I see foreigners acting smart, now we know yoga. I'm like, good for you. Maybe it's a fashion statement for you. Good for you. But people over here have such ugly bodies. They are not going to come in shape with yoga. The amount of junk people eat here, I'm telling you. I was frightened that when I was having that milk quality, I was drinking milky tea, and I was thinking there's so much of sugar in it. So much of sugar. No wonder people have diabetes and blood pressure and all kinds of illnesses. Tea, black, I love tea. I love milk tea also. But the way it is being prepared, I don't know. I just prefer my herbal tea. Well brewed. And I like my coffee also sometimes with milk. I'm going to switch on to coffee now, I think so, for sometimes. I cannot handle chai because मेरा सर खप गया है. Now, the very reason people know me because early morning I go for a walk. So all those vendors, watchman, दूधवाला, ये वो सब, cat, dog, crow, everybody knows me. Why? Because it's the same routine, same thing which I'm doing, right? Same route I'm taking. So everybody knows me, like all those हॉकर्स, स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स, वो डोसा बनाने वाले, वो भिखारी जो बैठते हैं मंदिर को, पान वाले, सब कुछ. I prayed to my God. I said I want to see this man's face to face, और वो मेरे आँखों के सामने आ गया. I prayed to my God. I said this man has really hurt me so much. Not because I wanted to see his face.